Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change smart art style on Microsoft PowerPoint. So at first open up your PowerPoint. After that open any document. You can see in my document a timeline is already created. Now to create a timeline you have to use smart art option. So if you want to change your timeline or smart art style, just select your timeline and then click on smart art design tab. That's it. At the top you can see smart art style option. So just click here. From here you can choose any kind of style as you like. If I select it, and that's it. Also if I change my layout, from here just select any layout. Now if you want to change this layout style, just click here again and then choose any kind of style, and it's done. Also if you want to change your color, just click on change colors option, choose any option, and it's done. And that is how you can change smart art style on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.